problem. We're gonna go buy a shed today. Actually, I bought it like 2 weeks ago. It's coming to Lowe's, and I gotta go pick it up at the store, and then you know what? Let's just, it's fine.
Hey, Anthony.
I appreciate that, thank you. An odd way to package a shed. We just snaked this thing through the trees over there. I got it here in the backyard, of course. Can't come up that way, it's a little too narrow. I gotta put a shed somewhere in here. I guess I'll figure that out. I was about to introduce you to my new shed. But then lawn care. Yes, by the way, if you buy a shed from Lowe's, this is how it will come packed. This is one of the little shed barns that they do. This one's an 8x12. If you're curious why they pack it like this, imagine you have a box truck and everything is the size of a pallet. So the more things you can put in that are the size of a pallet, then you can put more stuff in the truck. So that's why you have something like this. The factory design is to take this 8-footer and scab this 4-footer on the end of it, which I'm not going to do that. I just spent the money to get two 12-footers, transferred all the markings onto the old 12-footers, and now we have complete 12-footers, and we don't have weird scabbed together ends. I don't know. You know what I mean? You might find this a funny place to build a shed, but the idea is if I can use this flat part of my driveway here to assemble, you know, like the floor and walls, and I can walk them. Maybe walk them. I don't know. It might be heavy. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll just quit, and this will stay here for all eternity. Houston, we have a problem. I left some of the joists out. The intent was that hopefully it would be light enough to move, but it's pretty heavy. New day, new problem. I would love to be installing some of these parts, but we're not today. In fact, we are still quite behind on projects. Sheet metal. This is going to be a whole story here, but apparently the available sheet metal doesn't have the holes for the windshield wiper arms, and well, there's some debate as to whether you're supposed to drill them yourself or just delete your wipers, I guess. I don't know. Before we get into anything, yeah, let's grab a breakfast snack, huh? Biggest thing, you know, what do you choose to drive in the morning? Guess we'll sneak the green thing out. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm doing some things. Hint, hint. These seats are going away. I don't have the brackets yet. Again, we're waiting for parts. So we'll just close that and we'll drive something else, I guess. Silver thing? Nah. Yeah, we'll take that thing, I guess. Might need keys. Yep, them be's the ones. I think we can stop and kind of, I don't know. Look at the aesthetics of this car. Look at this thing. It's fantastic. Yeah, that's my temp gauge down there. It works great, but don't hate, okay? Yeah. Love this car a lot. All right. Give it a couple pumps for good luck, right? This is the reality of having a bunch of old cars. Normally this Amazon, I just turn the key and it's happy to go. And the battery's never dead on this thing. I don't know why it's dead right now. The key wasn't left in it. The old runner down the driveway backwards at 90 miles an hour seemed to do pretty good. Let's run like that's awful. you'll be happy. She loves her orange juice or apple juice. I don't remember what she likes, so I'm just gonna buy apple juice. It's probably fine. Battery still charging? Kinda. Yeah, it's good enough probably, right? Anyway, let's get back to the house. Okay, 8x12 shed. Barn style. Wouldn't be Dina machines without lawn care. Alright, an hour later, we got a wall framed up, cladded with siding. I just need to walk it out of the way and start the next one. Just, you know, pick it up, move it real quick. No big deal. Alright. Alright, what do you think, lady?
It's looking good so far.
Looks like a shed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's going. I'm tired.
I'll believe it.
Time for a nap. Quick trash can snack, right? Some chicken nuggets and, you know, double quarter pounder, no pickle, no mustard. Not a big pickle guy. No ice in the Coke. All right, truss work is all done. Actually, we have one last frame for the very end, the actual door side of it. They want you to use one wall as your template to do all your frames and whatnot, which makes sense because you want all your trusses to be identical, even if they're messed up a little bit. They can be wonky in the same spot the whole way down. But the problem is you have to tip this whole wall up and spin it, which is not ideal, we'll say. It's very heavy. It's probably 300 pounds right here. So I got one more to make and then the thing, and then, you know, probably gonna call it a day here. Yeah. All right, we're out here with the shed build today. Day 3. Sorry, no time lapse. I'm just trying to knock this thing out as fast as possible. And it's taken me 3 days to get to this point, so you're just gonna have to make do with this. Anyway, yeah, we went with a barn style. 6-foot walls, right? And that should allow me to put a little loft up there for a little extra storage, if you know what I mean. Did have the neighbors help to stand up the walls, so thank you, Mr. Walker. Thank you. He's the guy that lives in the White House next year. It's like my adopted family, more or less. What? It was you that left the streaks upon the wood. Anyway, trusses are, you know, I get those straightened out when we put the wood up top. I'm gonna give you these. I need you to go up on top of this sucker and just finish. Just get the plywood up there and just give it a...
You need me to do that?
Yeah, just go ahead and do that. If you could. That'd be great. Thanks.
Okay.
What do you think of our new shed?
It's looking good so far.
It's very shed-like, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, it's up there.
It's a shed.
It is a shed.
You're almost done though.
Yeah, getting there. Another day, another dollar. We're on a roof. Yay. Yeah, so we've got weather sealing to do. We've got shingles to throw on it. It's kind of a lot of work. Yeah, it's pretty much where we got the last shed, and then I just never put shingles on it, and then it rotted away. So we'll be sure to put shingles on it this time. Last shed was made out of pallets, though, so this one's a little bit nicer. About an hour left of sunlight here. Just need to throw some doors on it and then shingles, and that's about it. All right, shed update. Doors are on, closed nice, look good. Starting on the roof, got some of the trim done. Corner trim's done. Yeah. Underlayment's on. Gotta finish the drip edges. That's the biggest challenge, is getting everything to fit on these very end pieces. You can see I did it here. Got it as close as I could. I've never done this before, so we're winging it. It's going all right. It's a shed, right? Still have to do backside, need to get shingles, need to do all the other things. But yeah, we have ourselves a storage unit. I'm gonna pick up and get a shower because I gotta be on a flight in about 30 minutes. So yeah. Look at this view. Look at that lawnmower. Look at this beautiful old castle thing. What if there's new sausage? I want to give a shout out to the YouTube channel Build Season. Check him out on YouTube. He's the one who sent me this shirt because he's out here in Wisconsin. So I was out here for business. So I drove a couple hours north to come visit Sheboygan, Wisconsin. In the shirt. Anyway, thank you to my members. Thank you to everybody that subscribes. Thank you for checking out the channel. Let's get back into it. Comment down below if you'd like to possibly see a collab between myself and Build Season. Rumor has it he might be getting into rotary soon, so we'll have to figure that out. But he might need a rotary compression test. In fact, I'd guarantee it. Day 4, 5 of the shed build. We got a shingle up. Oh, my hand's red. It's from the chalk line. Look, I even put a chalk line on the roof. Doing things right around here. Anyway, I'm gonna put shingles up. I think my favorite part of roofing is when it starts raining. We've got like one face of the roof done. Can't win them all, I guess. As you can see me? Look at me. Still on the roof. If you can tell. We're ready for shingles in the morning, so you'll just have to wait till tomorrow, which will be... even if I do a transition right now, you can't even see it. This is my first time doing a roof. Cool. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for a ridge vent. I don't know how to do that. Time to research.
I didn't encourage this.
Huh?
I didn't encourage this.
Yeah. Day 6 of the shed build. We're out in the backyard again, and let's finish the damn thing. Okay, we'll just finish it. Don't tell anybody, but we had to borrow a couple of shingles from an old stack under that deck. We're gonna have a little white patch on the top of the old roof here. Just about done though. I do believe we have a finished roof. I gotta throw a little sealant on that one on the end there, but yeah, not too bad. Look how exciting this thing is. Huh? Huh? Wow. It's actually a lot of space in here. Yeah. Yeah. The things you can do with direction. You may be wondering why we built a shed on this Volvo YouTube channel. Well, we gotta put Volvo parts somewhere, so we got a bunch of stuff in the garage that can come out of the garage and live life in a shed. That'll give us more space to build things in the garage until I can afford either a new property and or a garage on this property. 30 by 30 would be nice, but even that might be too small for what we need. I need a workshop. I need more time. The woes of life, I guess. All right, for the late evening funsies, we got a little lighting, mood lighting, if you will. I'm just kidding, it's just some work lights. Yeah, this is just temporary. Temporary because it's good enough. I want to thank you for checking out the channel. I want to thank you for sticking around as I transition through life, not anything else, but you know what I mean. Look at that thing. Wow. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for laughing at my dumb jokes. We got ourselves a shed, and as of yesterday, well, we got something else in the garage. So, short story is, I didn't pay anything for it. It's mine from a long time ago, and it used to sit in the garage right next to my Jeep. So, we'll we'll get into that in another video. Thanks for watching Dean of Machines. Give a shout out to the lawn care enthusiasts. Have a good day. It's amazing this entire building showed up on that pallet.